Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Srishti Dubey. And in today's video, we will going to know about physical and chemical changes, the very interesting topics. So let's begin. A chemical change is a permanent change in which the original substance loses its own composition and properties. So during this change, one or more new substances with composition and properties different from the original substances are formed. So basically it means chemical change is a change which is a very permanent change. In that the original substance loses its composition and its own properties. So during this change, one or more than one new substances with the new composition and properties different from the original substances are formed. Now we're going to see the characteristics of chemical change. Number one is the change is permanent and cannot be reversed by the simple physical methods. Second is one or more new substances are formed with composition and properties different from the original substances. A chemical change involves an exchange of energy in the form of heat or light. So by seeing these 3 points related to characteristics of chemical change, we will observe and we can see that this change is permanent, so it cannot be reversed by the simple physical methods. The second point is telling us that one or more new substances are formed with the another new composition and properties which is totally different from original substances. Third point tells us that a chemical change involves an exchange of energy in the form of heat or light. Heat or light can give us energy. So these are the characteristics of chemical change. I hope you all have understood it properly. Let's move on to the physical change. A physical change is a change in which no new substance is formed. All changes of state are physical changes. For example, when water is cooled, it freezes to form ice. When left in the open, ice melt and change back to water. Similarly, when water is boiled, it changes to water vapor, means steam, and when water vapor is cooled, it condenses back to the liquid water. This means that the change of state in all these cases is temporary and reversible. So basically this is the opposite of chemical change. In chemical change you have seen that new substances are formed, but in the physical change we have seen that no new substances are formed. These are physical changes. Let's see characteristics of physical change. There are 4 points. Generally, the change is temporary and reversible. This is a very easy point that all that this physical change is temporary and can be reversed. Second point, that no new substances is formed. Third point, the chemical composition of the original substance is not altered. And the last point, a physical change may cause changes in state, shape, size and color of a substance. I hope you all understood these 4 characteristics of physical change.